Okay, so hi guys, it's me again, and it is time for our November Ipsy box unboxing. So as well as unboxing my November box, I'll also be kind of reviewing all the items I got in my October box. Did I use them? Do I plan on using them? Kind of what's been going on with those products since I got them. But before we do that, let's go ahead and dive on into November's box. First of all, how's it already November? Like, what happened? So for our first product, it is a mascara by, I'm gonna mispronounce it. Please, someone let me know how you correctly pronounce this. It is spelled D-O-U-C-C-E. I'm gonna say Duce, which we're not gonna talk about what that sounds like, but I'm gonna pronounce it Duce. It is a Punk Volumizer Mascara. So, as far as mascaras go, I don't mind getting them from Ipsy. I pretty much have always enjoyed, for the most part, not always. There's like one mascara, actually I gave it to a friend because I did not enjoy it, but almost every single mascara Ipsy has sent me, I have enjoyed. This is what it looks like outside of the box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what that wand, oh, that's a thick wand. Look at that. Look at that wand. Not insane? Maybe next month's video I'll have to talk about this because I could see this going one of two ways. I could see it, bam, big volume, but I could also see it as a clumpy disaster. So I will let you know which way that ends up. Let's go see what our next product is. Our next product is by Illamasqua. Again, probably completely mispronouncing it. I'm gonna say Illamasqua or Illamasqua. 2 L's. Is this Spanish? Or is this, I don't know where this product originates. Maybe it says on the back. Oh, it says it's vegan, so that's cool. Any idea? Thailand. It's made in Thailand, but it looks like the company is from London. So I'm gonna say Illamasqua. Correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, it is a Hydroveil rehydrating gel. Ipsy advertised this as a primer. So I have like huge pores in like this area, T-zone area, whatever you want to call it. So I do enjoy primers. I did recently get the Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. and this has literally been the best primer I have ever found for those of you who have big pores. So I'll definitely have to use this and see whether or not it's as good as that or if it's just more of like a face moisturizer, which again, I like face moisturizers. I like skin products. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. It comes with a little spatula. Or is that just how you open? Oh no, that's a spatula that just fell on the ground that I'm now gonna have to sanitize if I ever actually want to use it spatula. It's quickly gonna turn into a cat toy. Say hi, Sophie. Meow. She's eating. There's a bubble. What is going on? Oh, that is like, oh, that is thick. That is very thick. Oh my Lanta, like, it reminds me of like slime, like the kind of slime kids play with. So yeah, I'll have to let you know how that goes. And again, I'm gonna have to find that spatula and disinfect it before I actually use this product. But overall, I ain't mad about this product. Let's see, let's wipe that off. Let's dig on into our next product. Ooh, our next product is a lip gloss by Gigi Gorgeous. This is this month's collaboration. So I actually really like lip glosses. I probably prefer them over lipsticks or liquid lipsticks. I'm actually wearing a lip gloss right now. I like them because like I'm not the most coordinated when it comes to putting on lip products. So like lip glosses, they're really easy to put on. You can't really mess them up a whole lot. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is a pretty color too. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, swatch it, see what this bad boy looks like. What color is it coming in? Oh, it doesn't say a color, I don't think, unless, I don't know if this is a specific color or not, but it looks here in my light, it looks peachy. So we're gonna go, oh, that's pretty. It's very glittery and shiny. So yeah, I got a nice good swatch. I'll show that to you here. Look at that. I need to get better lighting for in here. I apologize, but good thing. I'm about to move, so hey, maybe that won't be an issue at the new place. But yeah, look at that. It's a nice peachy color. I think I'm gonna like that color, but again, we shall see. I ain't mad. I've said that a couple times, but I ain't mad. Oh, here's the card. I probably should have read the card first. This month's theme is Wild Side. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. Whatever, Ipsy. You know, I ain't mad. I ain't mad. I ain't mad. This should actually be the title of the video. I ain't mad. Oh, I have a little bit of congestion. Leaves have been fallen. So it'll show you all of your products, and it also gives you their MSRP for it all. I like to compare it to the MSRP if I can find it independently. I like to compare it to that just to see whether or not the Ipsy is actually giving me, they say they give you $120 worth of products per box. I like to double check and verify that just for science, if nothing else. Let's go dig into our next product. Our next product is the Stamp and Drag Courtney Act Stamp and Liner Duo by Ciate London. Actually, I look at my products, so I knew I was getting an eyeliner, but I saw this box. I'm like, oh, am I getting a small eyeshadow palette? JK. Now, eyeliners. They seem to be a pretty touchy subject for a lot of people who are Ipsy subscribers, mostly because a lot of people get upset at how frequently they get sent eyeliners. Honestly, I don't really get upset if I get sent an eyeliner because I almost never have to buy eyeliner at the grocery store, or I shouldn't say grocery store, but you know, makeup store, Ulta. I never have to go out and buy them because Ipsy just kind of keeps me well stocked, and they never really send me eyeliners that I hate, or at least they haven't yet. I keep getting distracted by my cat. This is a running theme. Hi! Meow! 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 She's pretty vocal. Back to the subject at hand. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. And again, not mad. I really enjoy eyeliners. I'm pretty intrigued by the end that is, so one side's supposed to be your normal eyeliner and the other end is supposed to be a stamp. Oh, okay, just pull it. So this is the stamp end. But it looks like a cool little stamp. We're gonna go ahead and stamp it. Oh, it's kind of watery looking. Here, I'm doing a couple stamps for science. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, okay, so I guess from far away it doesn't look bad, but up close, the stamp's not even, unless I'm doing it wrong. Maybe you're supposed to just stamp and drag. It's kind of better. It's a little better. You can't really tell it in the video, or at least from what I can tell, but the pigment's not even in the stamp, which don't know how I feel about that. This is, oh wait, just open that side. Let's get to the other side. This is the normal, that's a nice fat tip. So it's gonna be good for doing those really dramatic, thick eyeliner looks. And we'll go ahead and swatch this side just to see. Oh, this side is Gucci. I ain't mad at that side. It's not doing the weird pigment thing. So either way, I have a new eyeliner now. I will test out the wing stamp as to whether or not it is actually effective. But again, I enjoy eyeliners, getting them. And let's go for our last product. And Ipsy lets you pick one product every month in their bags. And this is actually the product that I picked. It is the Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus Blush Palette. I might actually have to piece out for a minute and go get some scissors because it is covered in a plastic film. I'm back. Plastic is off. And now we just gotta slide this bad boy out. I believe I mentioned in last month's video that right now I am kind of trying to expand my blush collection. So when I saw that I could pick this product, I was pretty excited about that. So it has a couple of different blushes, both some matte and some shimmer. I'll go ahead and swatch this real quick. I might actually insert a picture of the swatches since maybe the pictures will come up better. But there's this creamy hibiscus rose that in this lighting almost looks more like a bronzer, but if you want that dark blush for whatever look you're going for, that's your look. You got this light pink blush that's almost very similar to the blush I have on today. Maybe not, maybe it's a little bit lighter. I had to think about that one. And then these other two, they look more like highlighters, but again, depending on what look you're going for, I'm pretty excited. I will include a picture of the swatches of these in this section right here. And the bag, that's right. So this is actually a really good sized bag. I can take this brush and fit it in here with like no issue. And actually that's what I've been looking for recently, is more bags to put brushes in more than anything else. I don't get Ipsy Ultimate because I can't justify spending $50 a month to get more products, because I actually kind of have a good collection of makeup products here that I don't really need any more than what I'm getting currently. I don't need 12 products, but I am intrigued by the bags that come with it. I know last month I was like, I don't need any more bags, but I do really like the size of this for brushes or even makeup palettes, the smaller makeup palettes for when I travel. So I'm pretty excited about that. And it's a cute bag. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. Now let's dive on into October's products. Have I used them? Do I plan on using them? What do I think about them? So for the first product from October, the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. So I meant to use this. I packed this, I went on vacation, meant to use this, never ended up using it. Somehow 7 days went by on my vacation, never ended up using this. Do I plan on using this? Yes, it is too gosh darn expensive to not at least try. I also do have I tend to stockpile different products such as exfoliators, soaps, shampoos, conditioners, if I can get them for a really good price. So I'm actually working through my current exfoliator right now, and I'll start using this next. So very happy that I had it in my Ipsy bag. I'm happy it was an item that Ipsy offered. Yes, I know. Sorry, this is a theme of my videos, I understand. I'm sorry if that upsets you, but it will continue to be a theme unwittingly. So yeah, happy about the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Exfoliator. The next product was this highlighter by Jolie Cosmetics in pink, and I put a little bit of it right here, right here. I actually really like this highlighter. I was kind of hesitant since it was more of a pinky color as to whether or not I would use it. I tend to use highlighters that are more goldeny, more yellowy in color, but with I kind of have a little pink look going on today, and this was very good for that look. And even when I don't have a pink look, you know, for whatever look I'm going for, I have been enjoying playing around with this, even using it more of as a eyeshadow. And something I really like about this is that it clicks into place, which again, this isn't like a lipstick I'd be throwing in my purse like I mentioned last month, but it is something that I just personally find highly amusing, and I guess delightful for lack of a better word. For our next product, we have this liquid lipstick in I Am Adaptable. So I meant to use this while I was on vacation. I had a whole dress I was planning on wearing it with. The problem was my vacation was a cruise. If any of you have cruised before, you know about that bloat lifestyle of where you start eating way too much and next thing you know, you don't fit into any of your clothes. So the dress that I had planned to wear with this did not fit by day 2 of the cruise, which is why I did not end up using this. Maybe, here's the thing. I have a lot of red colored lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. I did go on to my Ipsy profile after receiving this and just tell them no more reds. I have enough reds. I want berries, I want pinks, even some of those more adventurous colors, even though I may come to regret that. So I need to at least try this out to see how it feels, see how it does, you know, wear-wise. Does it last a long time? Does it need frequent reapplying? Is it great? Is it not? So that's kind of where we're at with that, unfortunately. The next product was the Betty Boop blush palette, and that's what is on my cheeks right now. It is the second or the middle shade that is on my cheeks. And then I also put a little bit of this like on the tip of my nose. I used it as a highlighter. I've actually really enjoyed this. I was hesitant. I was concerned that the colors weren't going to be pigmented enough for me. And they actually ended up being way more. It was really hard to swatch, if I remember last month's video correctly. But once I started playing around with it and putting it on my face, it was actually perfect. Because I do also have the issue sometimes when I apply blush that I put way too much of it on and then I'm like, oh God, blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. So it doesn't look like a giant blush bombs on my face. And then the last product I have clearly not used. I haven't even gotten it out of the package to wash yet. Like I've said, I've been busy. We're moving, I just went on a cruise. So I do plan on using these, especially I need to retire some of my old brushes. So these will be really good replacements for that. And I always enjoy it when Ipsy sends me brushes because I go through them. I have a lot of really old brushes, and so I actually just plan on throwing some of my old brushes out and replacing them with those. And that is it for this month's Ipsy video. Tell me what you thought about it, comment below. Let me know if you have used any of October's products and that I didn't end up getting around to trying. This is why I don't need Ultimate. But let me know if you used those products. Let me know how you felt about them, whether or not you liked them, or not, whether or not it was for you. And thanks for watching. See y'all later.